Giraffe and AppStation both reward users for playing mobile games, but the games, offers, and rewards you see can be completely different, even if you're using the same Android phone. By the end of this video, you'll know how the two apps compare, where each one stands out, and which is the better choice for your gaming style. Here's the short answer: neither app is automatically better for everyone. The best option is the one with the stronger game offers on your account and the games you'll actually keep playing. Both apps follow a similar idea. You install eligible games through the app, play according to the reward requirements, and receive rewards as you complete qualifying gameplay milestones. The available offers change regularly, so the experience can vary from one user to another. Giraffe is known for keeping the experience simple. You browse available games, choose one that interests you, and work through the available milestones. The game library changes over time, so checking the app regularly can help you find newly added offers. AppStation works in a similar way. It also features a rotating selection of eligible mobile games, and the available rewards depend on your region, device, and current promotions. Because the game catalog changes, one app may have a title you enjoy while the other doesn't. One of the biggest differences comes down to game selection. If Giraffe currently offers several games you already like, it's probably the better choice for you. If AppStation has a stronger lineup when you check, then it becomes the better option. That's why many experienced users compare both apps before committing their time. Spending a few minutes reviewing the available games can help you avoid installing an app that doesn't have titles you're interested in. Another smart strategy is to read each game's reward requirements before you install it. Some offers include multiple gameplay milestones, while others are much shorter. Understanding the reward structure before you begin makes it easier to decide where your time is best spent. Don't assume that yesterday's comparison is still accurate today. Both apps regularly update their game libraries and promotional offers, so the better platform can change over time. The key points are simple. Giraffe and AppStation use similar reward systems. The available games vary by user and promotion, and comparing the current offers inside both apps is the best way to choose between them. Your next step is to install both apps, review the games currently available on your account, and spend your time on the platform with the titles you'll actually enjoy playing. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video, and subscribe for more reward app comparisons, reviews, and practical earning guides.